civil servant had resigned. So we were a batch of about 100 people. So after every 10 years, there's a formal reunion at the academy, official. So I had resigned, so they all asked me to come, and I told them, you see, I have nothing to do with it. Yet they forced me and I went there. So initially, the then Director General was there. I mean, since she has said to speak the truth, let us speak the truth. Now we were all, I mean, I had resigned, the rest were all civil servants, some from police service, some from the district management group, and many others. The Director General was a person who had served there in Punjab as the Chief Secretary. So when I went there, our time, the professor wanted to know why I had resigned. So I spoke the truth. Because of speaking that truth, everyone else started speaking the truth. So this one colleague of ours, who is now retired as a police officer and a very honorable police officer, he said whatever he said is absolutely right. The first time when I was posted as a district police officer in Punjab, I was interviewed and I was told that we have a policy, an unannounced policy of extrajudicial killings. And this he said in front of everyone. And I don't want to say who he had named, who had interviewed him. So he said, I mean, it didn't harm me, except that I was sent to the federal government and I remained very happy. So the gentleman who was the Director General, he said, no, this is absolutely rubbish. This could never have happened. When was that? He said, when you were the Chief Secretary. And that was the truth. I've had an experience of being a judge since 2014. And the most difficult, and fortunately there are many faces here today who probably shared that experience with me. The most difficult